Namaste and welcome to the seventh part of the eight-part series of the Sari Stories. आज हम बात करेंगे महारानियों की साड़ी और साड़ियों की महारानी बनारसी के बारे में. What a Paithani is to a Maharashtrian bride or a Kanjivaram to the South Indian one, a Banarasi sari means the same to a North Indian bride. Apart from its spiritual significance, Banaras for times immemorial has been India's textile weaving center. It finds its earliest mention in a lot of scriptures dated thousands of years back. The very first mention of a gold woven fabric is mentioned in the Rig Veda as Hiranya Vastra. Hiranya Vastra means golden fabric. So, a golden fabric or a fabric woven with golden threads finds its mention in the Rig Veda, which is the oldest of the four Vedas. Golden brocades, the Banarasi brocades, also find a mention in Ramayana and Mahabharata as the Hiranya Vastra or Pitambar. Pitambar essentially is a fabric which the men wear, and it finds a mention in Ramayana and Mahabharata. The Jatak tales also mention Banarasi weaves, and even Pali literature mentions Banaras as a weaving center in ancient times. The Banarasi weaving takes about 3 to 30 days for a single sari, and usually three weavers collaborate to create a sari. The first weaver takes care of the weaves of the silk part of the sari. The second one manages the revolving ring for creating bundles, which actually creates motifs. And the third weaver helps with the border design. Motifs are designed in the bundling stage on graph papers, which is also called as Naksha Bandi or Likhai. Then punch cards are created, followed by hundreds of perforated cards that can fit into a single sari design. These perforated cards are then paddled and sequentially put together so that the primary weave grabs the correct pattern. Techniques like kadwa, cutwork, kadiyal, meenakari, and tanchoi are used for weaving the Banarasi saris. The motifs that are found on Banarasi weaves are inspired from nature. So you would find a lot of floral and leaf patterns, and it is also mentioned in documents that Banarasi weaves had the influence of Rajasthani paintings and Hindu motifs in the initial ancient weaves that we see in the Banarasi pattern. But after the 14th century, we see a lot of Persian and Mughal influence in the Banarasi motifs. So we have the Shikarga, which is a hunting motif. We have the Bel Patra, we have the Jhalar, Pasli, and a lot of other Persian motifs that we can see in the Banarasi weaves. बनारसी साड़ियाँ आज भी अपने हैंडलूम वीविंग के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है. पावर लूम्स पे भी बनती है, लेकिन हैंड वोवन बनारसी साड़ीज की अपनी ब्यूटी एंड एलिगेंस है. आजकल मार्केट में पावर लूम पे बनी या आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क से बनी बहुत सारी बनारसी साड़ियाँ अवेलेबल है, लेकिन एक हैंडलूम पे वीव की हुई साड़ी का एक अलग ही ग्रैंडियर और एलिगेंस है. पहले हिडन लूम्स यूज किए जाते थे वीविंग करने के लिए, बट विद द एडवेंट ऑफ टाइम एंड टेक्नोलॉजी आजकल पिट लूम्स यूज किए जाते हैं, जहां पर एक छोटा सा गड्ढा क्रिएट किया जाता है एंड द वीवर पुट्स हिज लेग्स इनसाइड दैट गड्ढा एंड लूम्स ऊपर की तरफ होते हैं एंड उसी से वीविंग होती है. सो इन पर्टिकुलर लूम्स को पिट लूम्स कहा जाता है, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स आजकल आप बनारस जाए तो पिट लूम्स पे वीविंग होती है. आई हैड द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू विजिट वन ऑफ द weavers in Banaras, and I actually got to see the pit looms, and it was a wonderful experience. Now let's have a sneak peek into my wardrobe to see my Banarasi collection. Usually Banarasi sarees को associate किया जाता है कुछ auspicious and religious functions के साथ, but मेरे पास ये एक ब्लैक कलर की ब्रोकेड की बनारसी साड़ी है. इसका कलर कॉम्बिनेशन मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है। ये मेरे मम्मा की साड़ी है एंड इसका वीव इतना इंट्रिकेट एंड इतना ब्यूटीफुल है एंड ऑल्दो इट इज ब्लैक इन कलर, it's still one of my favorite sarees in my wardrobe. The second saree is this bright red and pink border Banarasi weave. ये typical bridal wear है. If you see, the work is very heavy and it has got all over jari booties. So this is a typical bridal color and a bridal weave. This is yet another beautiful sea green color, and if you see, the jari is silverish golden, not completely gold, not completely silver. This is my Banarasi brocade which I wore for my um, engagement. So this is another special sari in my wardrobe. I have a wonderful deep blue Banarasi brocade. ये मेरे शादी की साड़ी है and if you see, it is beautifully woven. ये पल्ला है एंड हल्की छोटी जरी की बूटियां है ऑल ओवर। ये जो सिल्क है ये बहुत ही ज्यादा सॉफ्ट सिल्क है एंड पूना में इसे पेशवाई सिल्क भी कहा जाता है। दिस इज अनदर ब्यूटीफुल बनारसी ब्रोकेड इन माय कलेक्शन। नाउ दिस Banarasi brocade that you see here is the costliest sari in my wardrobe. You can see the finesse with which the brocades are woven. जितना इंट्रिकेट डिजाइन होता है इन बूटियों का उतना ही कॉस्टली होता है ये बनारसी वीव। एंड अगेन द क्वालिटी ऑफ सिल्क दैट इज यूज्ड also defines the cost. So you can see this beautiful sari इस तरह से ऑल ओवर बूटीज के साथ सिंपल साड़ी है but its elegance and beauty lies in the brocades and the fine designs that it has on its palla and borders. The sari that I am wearing today is yet another Banarasi weave. If you can see, it is a very, very fine silk with beautiful patterns all over the border and a very, very simple palla but a very elegant weave. और ये साड़ी बहुत ही ज्यादा रॉयल फील देती है। ये रेड कलर भी अगर आप देखें तो इट इज नॉट अ वेरी डीप एंड ब्राइट रेड, ये बहुत सटल रेड कलर है एंड आई थिंक दैट सटल रेड कलर गिव्स इट अ लॉट ऑफ एलिगेंस एंड ग्रेस। नाउ लेट्स कम टू द पर्सनल स्टोरीज। Well, last year I had the opportunity to visit Banaras. My father-in-law wanted to take the darshan of the Kashi Vishwanath temple and wanted to take a dip into the holy Ganges. And because of him, we got a chance to visit Banaras. During that visit, my father-in-law bought these two saris from a local store. This was a surprise gift from him. Uh, these two saris for me are the epitome of fatherly love and probably define the special relationship a father-in-law shares with the daughter-in-law. The cost of these two sarees actually मेरे wardrobe का almost half section cover करती है. These are very very regal and royal sarees that he got for me from Banaras. Very fine silk, very intricate designs, and these two are the most prized possessions of my wardrobe. And I think these are heirloom pieces where which I would like to pass on to my daughter-in-law someday. And yeah, so these two saris are very special. So Maharaniyon ki sari, sadiyon ki Maharani, the two beautiful Banarasi, pure Banarasi hand woven saris from my wardrobe.